Should I invest in penny stocks? Should I start with penny stocks? Hi, hello, this is Ganesh. I'm your author of the book Money Leaks and Millionaire Coach. I help people in creating wealth. So, if you think penny stocks is something cheaper and if this is the reason for you buying a penny stock, then this video is for you. So, please share this video with your friends. If you think they are investing in penny stocks, if they are learning about share market, please share them with them so they may find it interesting and they will get a bit of a knowledge on share markets. So today you are going to see about penny stocks. But basically, what is this penny stock and why you should invest or invest now? That is what you are going to see. So penny stock is something a very cheap stock. I mean, if the price of the stock is 1 rupee and if even less than that, even for 50 paisa, 80 paisa, you have so many stocks available at that rates. And on the other side, we have MRF share available at just around 70,000, and it has even touched more than that. And we have Acre Motors at 21,000. We have Page Industries at 15,000. Nestle available at 14,000. And Bajaj Finance 4,800. So these are the company shares. One share is worth some few thousands to going to touch. MRF is going to touch a lakh. So is it wise to invest in that kind of a stock, or is it wise to invest penny stock, which is available at just 1 rupee? And advantage of, let's see why you should, what is the advantage of investing in a penny stock? If you are okay with it, let's see that. Consider 1 rupee. There are shares. I will share some list of stocks which I have taken for just for sharing. So let's take an example of a share which is available at 1 rupee. And if you're investing 100 rupees, you'll be owning 100 shares. Say if you're investing 1,000 shares, 1,000 rupees. If you're investing a lakh, you're going to take a bigger buy, 1 lakh shares, and you become a part of the bigger part of the company because the company itself is worth 2 crores or 1 crore. And if you're investing 1 lakh, you're becoming a biggest person and holding the shares, right? So this is how. Now just compare the same. You're investing a lakh in, say for example, ICICI Bank. Now it's available at around 520. For example, conservative, let's put it at 500 rupees. And for 1 lakh, you'll be just getting 200 shares. Is 200 better or 1,000 or 1 lakh shares better? 1 lakh shares. If your answer is 1 lakh shares, then you are making the biggest mistake while investing in stock market. What is that mistake? If you're putting in 1 lakh in ICICI Bank, the probability of your money going up is huge. The probability of your money becoming getting a bonus shares and then right splits and as well as getting a dividend, and the probability of growth is huge because it plays a major part. And recently, ICICI Bank has been recognized as a biggest bank to fail, right? So these are the biggest opportunities available with ICICI Bank, and it's one of the biggest bank compared with SBI, HDFC Bank. This is one of the biggest private bank. So you can hold, you should invest or you can hold your money in ICICI Bank, and this is for this understanding purpose. On the other hand, if you invest a lakh in penny stock, what will happen? No one knows what will happen to the stock. And as why I'm saying no one knows, if it's ICICI Bank, people are going to track it. Analysts are there who is going to track the quarterly results. They are going to say whether the stock is going to up, this stock is going to go down, and they will track the results. And management decisions will be open. We know that ICICI Bank is available. You will do transaction. Maybe you will be having an ICICI Bank account, or your friend may be having, and you would have taken an insurance policy with them, or anything related to ICICI, day in and day out, or you may be watching it, right? So on the way, you will be knowing something about it. But on the other hand, if it is an unknown stock, none of the analysts are going to track because it's an unknown company and no one knows how the stock value is going to rise. And it's up to you to understand and invest your money. So that is the reason if you're a first time investor or just a passive investor, meaning you're going to put down your money and wait for some time and let the stock market take a decision. I mean, for growth purpose. If you're that kind of a person, then is it not wise to put your money in ICICI than in this penny stock which you are not known? Let's take the example of penny stock, right? That will be interesting to know. Instead of saying a penny stock, let me share some 10 stocks which is really big, and you will. So this is a list of penny stocks. So this is, you can check this out in NSE, National Stock Exchange, or Bombay Stock Exchange, and see here. If you see, there are so many stocks. Even Adani Green, this is one of the stock which has come down. This is okay. You can forget about it. All these Ad Labs 4.20, Alok Text 3, and Auto Industries something at around 31.55. and BAG Films 2.05. These are some of the bigger, some of the companies. It's not bigger. These are the companies which are, see, Balarpur. It's 0.70. It's one of the biggest uh, paper manufacturer, and but see the kind of see how it is trading now, 0.70. And let me take it's one of the company, 0.80. And if you see the total share capital, just 30.65 shares are there. And in March 18, the total net worth is 34.36, and it has went down to 11 point minus 11.11. And if you see the market capital, it has gone down to 2 crores, and the book value has gone minus 9.2. And if this is the case, then why would you invest in this penny stock? Just by looking at the previous things, it's total foolishness, right? And let's consider AdLabs Entertainment. Probably, I think this company is there, and it's an entertainment field, it's an entertainment domain, and AdLabs the third one, 4.20. AdLabs is something. This company is available in AdLabs Imagica. I think there is a. You can check out the website. Still, it's available, and then it's in Pune. They are the biggest theme park, and they do some shows, and that is the only theme. And the depth of the company, the market capitalization of AdLabs is just 38 crores, and the depth of the company has gone up from 974 crores to 1074 crores. So if the depth of the company is keep on increasing year on year, and it is more than 1000 crores for a company with in market capitalization of 38 crores, just because debt is increasing, the people started selling down, and the market cap has gone coming down and down. And if you see, if you want to invest in something like a theme park, there is something called Wonderla. That company is there based out of Kerala, and they have plans to expand in Hyderabad. I think it's already there. Bangalore, it's there, and they have done good. So these are the companies. Unless you experience, even if you experience, you need to understand the fundamentals if this company is good. Suppose if you had visited Ad Labs, and if you found that the theme park and everything is good, the thing is they are not making money. They are not generating revenue. If the company is not generating revenue, then you should not jump into that. I mean, you should not even buy the company. This is a mistake even I did. When I was just started with investments, I thought Kingfisher is one of the biggest company. I know this guy. This guy took the company from nowhere to a bigger proposition, Kingfisher, the Vijay Mallya I'm saying. But the thing is that stock has gone down and down, and my money never returned. So this is a mistake that people do. They have seen a stock at very high price, and it keeps on coming, and it will be available at very cheaper rate. And they think that this is a company, this is the theme park. Let's take AdLabs itself. AdLabs I had visited, and I know this place where everything is good, but the thing is people are not coming in. You would have liked it, but the people are not coming in, or the cost of running the show, theme parks is very huge. That is one of the reasons for them to not make money. Something or other. If you're not able to understand why they are losing, and still if it, then you should not jump in. You should not buy that stock, even if it is available at very cheaper rate. Don't put your hands in it. And another reason for a penny stock is that the stock would have been at 1 to 2 rupees for a very long time, and slowly that would have been climbing up. So 3, 4, 5, and even 10 more than that. The reason is that some of the brokers will have a former cartel like I'll buy and I will sell it to you, and you buy, you sell it to that guy A, B, C, and D. This A, B, C, D guys will keep on buying and selling at much higher price, and after a while they keep on bombarding mails to people to buy this penny stock because it has moved up from 2 rupees to 10 rupees. This is the time to invest when you can sell it out at 12 rupees. It will work for few people, and after a while you may enter at 15 rupees or something, and then no one will be there to buy because all the stocks has been dumped to you, and some people like you, like every stocks will be dumped to some 100 people, and they will run away because they had made money. They had taken the stock from 1 or 2 rupees to make to 15 rupees, and they dumped it to you people, and that's it. Their job is done. They are making a huge sum of money. So this is for the people who are passive investor and who wants to make really create wealth, or who wants to be that like first time investors. Never ever touch the penny stock. It's better to avoid. It's difficult to find a stock at that price, and it's difficult to predict this company is going to be the next Reliance, this company is going to be the next big one. It's really difficult to do. It's very difficult unless you are seasoned investor and you're good at picking up stocks. Unless if you're in that situation, unless you come to that position, it's better to avoid penny stocks. So this video is just for people to understand that, to say that just because you're owning some 500 stocks for 500 rupees, don't put your money. It creates a, it's a bad emotion which you are putting in your mind, saying that it's just 500 rupees, let me lose it, because you're not going to learn any lesson out of losing the 500 rupees. You will never understand why you had lost the 500, because you will never know why the company stock has keep on coming down, because it's nothing to learn from penny stock. uh, unless you understand that, you will never ever invest in penny stock. So I just want you to make an avoid to put a I don't want you to lose money. That is the reason I'm saying don't invest in penny stock, because one of my friend had invested one of the biggest infrastructure company. He had invested some close to few lakhs and he had lost it. Still, he's not able to recover because that stock is the trading has come down, and he has locked in a huge sum of money and he's not coming into stock market again. So don't make that mistake again. Don't avoid stock market. The thing is, you need to understand which is the best one to choose, which is the best stock to choose. And we have just done one more video in the previous I think Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, like one reason to stick to large cap stock. So just watch that video and see why you need to stick to large cap stock if you're a new investor or passive investor and want to create wealth for yourself. So thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends who are ready to invest in stock market, and who doesn't know about stock market, or who are curious and wants to know what is that penny stock and why should I not invest in penny stock. So thanks for watching once again. Please share this video with your friends. See you soon in at another interesting topic. If you have any questions or related to, or any queries or any doubts with respect to stock market, you can put in the comment section or message me so that I know if there is a doubt, and I can clarify at another in any other video, or I can just clarify in the below section itself in your by replying to your comments. And here a huge opportunity. If you want to keep on knowing about stock market and something more than what is available right now through my profile section, I am creating a Facebook closed group of friends where I'll be sharing much in detail about the stock market, what is it available, what is the trend which is going on, and how should you should be a trader or investor, and what are the things you should keep on looking after in stock market. All these stuff in a Facebook closed group. It's a private group and it's not a stock recommendation. You if you want to be a stock picker by yourself, then you need to be in this Facebook private group, so that you're not dependent on any other people. You're not going to be worried about what are the other assets available, and should I diversify everywhere. There are people who invested only in stock market, only in equities, more than stock market, only in equities, and they made money. And this is private group where you know everything about wealth, everything about stock market. And if you want to be a wealthy person in your life with huge amount of money, then this Facebook private group is for you. Click the below link, answer the 3 questions, just 3 questions, and be part of my group. And from next month, from this month, I'm just going to launch my uh, new course on stock market, and that is exclusively available for people. Will be available for people who want to be part of my close Facebook group. So thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends. Ask them to be part of my Facebook close group, so that the tribe is more, and the more positive people who wants to create wealth for themselves and who shares wealth with others. Thank you once again. See you in at another video.